Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner, the Freedom Motivator. And today, got a pretty good video for you. Going to show you how you can make $20 to $60 per day as a mock juror of all things. Check that out. So stick around, we'll be right back in just a moment. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner with Freedom Motivator. And if this is your first time here, reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ding dong that bell so you get notified of when we post new videos again, okay? Also, if this is your first time here, what we do here is we do entrepreneurship videos, how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, once in a while a motivational video. And sometimes we'll throw in a few of those, not as often as we do the money-making ones, but anyways, but generally just how-to videos and value videos that'll help you in your marketing and your business endeavors, okay? All right, well, with all that said, and we'll get on with what I wanted to show you today. Today, like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you can become a mock juror of all things and get paid $20 to $60 per day to do this. Now, some people may be asking, what is a mock juror? Well, does that mean I have to go to court or whatever? And to that I'd answer, well, did you do anything wrong? You know? No, you don't. I'm just messing with you. You don't have to go to court or nothing, and you don't even have to go there to see if you can become a juror or anything like that. No. So, what most people's asking probably, well, what is a mock juror? Okay, well, I did a little search around here. We'll get right on in this, and I come up with a little definition here for it. It says, what is a mock juror? A mock juror doesn't have to go to a mock courtroom, or any courtroom for that matter, and hear a mock case or render a mock opinion. A mock juror just gets a bunch of documents in the comfort of his or her home and gets paid for your opinion and feedback. Legal teams need this as a trial run for their big cases, and you can get paid to read interesting stories and see fascinating evidence, all without going anywhere. Okay? So that's pretty much it. So you can do it right from the comfort of your own home. Alright, so now what I want to show you is what I found is this website right here you can go to. It's called onlineverdict.com. Right up there, onlineverdict.com. And you can sign up to be a juror, in a mock juror with this website here, and some of the benefits of that are right here. I mean, they got, of course, attorneys come in and says the attorneys have to be in this system off this site, and you get jobs based on that through your email address. Okay, so let's see what some of the benefits are of being a mock juror here with onlineverdict.com. So it says right here, it says that you get paid to review and respond to legal cases. Earn extra money by becoming an online verdict juror. You will review interesting legal cases from the comfort of your home, provide feedback through online questionnaires, and be paid well for your time. Online Verdict provides online case review and juror feedback services to attorneys. Case information is summarized and presented to qualified jurors in the venue where the case was filed, and feedback is then used by the attorneys to discover the strengths and weaknesses of their case. I can't see that word hardly there, but anyway, something settlement value and general attitudes and opinions about their case. This information allows attorneys and legal professionals to make better decisions about trying, mediating, and settling their legal disputes. Okay, it says, yeah, the possible settlement value and general attitudes. I got something on my other monitor here that keeps me from viewing it. My monitor's been bleeding lately. Anyways, but so yeah, anyways, and then it talks about intellectually stimulating opportunity to be a mock juror and decide real cases, earn additional money working from home. Students, housewives, retirees, self-employed, and professionals are needed. And there's minimal prerequisites to qualify, such as, are you a U.S. citizen over the age of 18 or over. And you can choose which cases you want to review, and there's no long-term commitment. Okay? All right, and let's go over here to see how it works. On how it works is you can earn income, it says again, for your opinion. Provide some basic information on sign-up, demographic information to qualify as a juror in your county and or federal district. And then it says you just review and respond, and then when an attorney posts an eligible case in your county or federal district, you will receive an email invitation from Online Verdict to review the case at your convenience. And as what's that word? Once enough responses are received, the case will close and no additional participants are needed. My screen's blocking here. It says after accepting the invitation to be an online juror, you'll be asked to agree to the confidentiality policy. Okay, and then review the case materials and then answer all questions about the case. There are no right or wrong answers. Attorneys benefit most from your honest reaction to the information that was presented to you in the case. And then to get paid, juror payment is made by check once per month. Alrighty, so if we come over here to how it works, pretty much that we pretty much covered that, I think, here, but we'll check it and see here. Oh, I'm already on how it works. Okay, my bad. I mean frequently asked questions. Slipping here today. All right, so there's some things here, juror process, fees and payments, so I think that's one we want to see, right? How much we're going to make, right? All right, so it says down here, one of the questions, are there any sign-up or participation fees for the jurors? Answer is there are no fees to sign up and participate as a mock juror in Online Verdict. We pay you to review the cases for us. And then, of course, that brings up the next question is how much will I get paid? Well, each case review may take anywhere from 20 to 60 minutes to complete, depending on the length of the case, summary, and the number of attorney-provided questions. Juror payments amounts between $20 and $60, reflect the amount of time we estimate it takes to review the case. The amount of payment for each case will be noted in the email invitation that you receive. And then it says checks are mailed 1 to 2 weeks after you complete your case review. Okay. Can I get paid by PayPal or some other method? Their answer was the only way we pay our jurors is by check sent through the mail to your address. Assures that the participants are who they say they are and that they live in the correct venue or county or district of where the actual case is being held. And no taxes taken out unless you make over $600 a year. They'll send you a 1099 form. And then the expected caseload, it depends on, I've already been through most of this, it depends on where you live at and how, I suppose, how large the population is. Now this probably wouldn't serve me too well to try this myself, as I live in a small farming town of a population of about 7,000 people, so probably wouldn't get many invites. There's a little bit larger towns in this particular county that I live in, but probably wouldn't be as good as if you lived in, like, you know, around the Chicago area or Detroit or New York or, you know, some large metropolitan area like that where you can, you know, you'd probably get more opportunities to make more money. So if you live in I'd say if you live somewhere in a population that's, you know, 50,000 and above, you'd be good to go with it. You'd probably get a few cases to review for them and stuff. So and then you can create or cancel your account, and it shows on some other things down here. I'm not going to go through all of it here, but if you guys want to see it, it's at onlineverdict.com, frequently asked questions. Okay. All right, so basically that pretty much there is what I wanted to show you if I go over to the About Us, tell a little bit about them here, I guess. And basically it's about what they're doing, feedback from qualified jurors. Online Verdict was created by experienced trial consultants. Well, what's a trial consultant? I think that's just a fancy way of saying attorneys. My experience is that I was called in years ago to be a jury, subpoenaed for jury duty in a county that I lived in a large town before, years ago. And so yeah, it just depends, I suppose, like that. You don't get paid this much, I know that. You get paid better here than going in and actually being an actual juror. I think they only get something like, what is it, $16 a day, $13, somewhere in that range, something like that. And but anyways, online jury focus groups and quick, affordable, and reliable alternative to live jury research. If the case value does not warrant a traditional focus group or mock trial, if attorneys are debating whether to take the case or not, or if they are looking for preliminary feedback on case issues before they conduct other research, online jury focus groups can be a helpful resource for them. So yeah, they're looking for people. Obviously, if you're interested, you can then of course sign up right here on this page right here. So once it loads up here, the internet running a little bit slow, but so yeah, they're going to ask you for some information here, and so on and so forth down through here. But yeah, I'll let you guys check that out. This is what I had for you guys today. I wanted to show you. OnlineVerdict.com, be a mock juror, make anywhere from $20 to $60 per day, possibly. Okay, depending on the amount of cases that you get and the district and county you live in, population, and amount of cases that the attorneys have, and so on and so forth. Okay. All right. Well, hey, if you like this video, reach down there and click that thumbs up button for me if you would. I appreciate it. And then that's all I had for you today. I hope you got some value out of this. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, we'll see you again in a couple of days on the next video. Okay. All right. You guys have a great day today. Bye bye now.